It's a zebra,
It's a lion, it's
a rhinoceros. He's a traditional healer.
You got them by Sangoma.
Yeah. And I think you know why. You know what happened? You know what happened?
Sangoma texted
Let me tell you what happened.
Goodbye.
Wait, come.
Adele is killing herself. She's on the floor laughing.
Let me tell you what happened. Come. Let me tell you what happened, Frankie.
Okay. Yeah,
So the night before,
was it because of
No,
the bones?
wait.
Was it because of the bones?
One thing I'll give it to him, he's a proper Sangoma.
Okay.
He's always been on my screensaver. The night before,
He dumped you.
no man.
Oh, sorry.
It's this girl. The night before, I went to a gig and then I bumped into this gorgeous guy. We took a picture and then I changed that picture. I made it my profile picture. My in the morning I get this SMS. I'm like, you are good, because I think he felt that he's no longer
He's
the screensaver.
underground gang, yati ha.
Yes, because he says to me, yeah, and this thing of you being seen with hot guys when I'm not there, I'm like,
How do you know?
yo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosta Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to smash the like button. Anele mdoda ubude a very important question rather lapha ku Twitter kulaba lababelivela utangoma. I-question yakhe ifunzeka ngalendlela uthi, I have a question. Have you ever gone to a sangoma and they consult and say, no man, you are good, just make better life choices and stop drinking or sleeping around? So uyabuta ukuthi kuyenteka yini ukuthi uyatu kwesangoma sithi hayi mana unalutho wena kude futhi lokhu loyako just wena enda tinqumo leti right empilweni wekele khambulala la ulala khona. What a good question. This is after kunendombatane lapha eLimpopo lebathi ngimali uGhada. I think it's ngimali uGhada, something like that. Lobulele babu wakhe uqashe tinkabi ngokuthi tiyo phu babu wakhe lapha ekhaya lakhe after qetha kushona makwakhe, because ugele uhambe waya kusangoma samtshela ukuthi babu wakhe nguye lobulale makwakhe. So wahayarisha tinkabi ugele ngokuthi tiyodelete babu wakhe. So people are asking themselves ukuthi ugele uze wenda sinqumo lesingaka because of isangoma, because uyisangomeni isangoma samtshela ukuthi babu wakho nguye labulale makwakho, then wathemba sangoma gele wadelete babu wakhe and abambophile ke and was sentenced to life in prison. Washiya mntwana angaphandle na 21 months old. So uyabuta u-Anele kokuthi kuyenteka nawe isangomeni singoma sithi cha sisi right wena kho inkinga nawe kude nje inkinga yekela kudzakwa yekela kwenda ama-choices labhedza-ke empilweni, uke waya kusangoma na sasho ukuthi awunankinga awunalutho or sonke sangoma loya kuso sihlezi sifuna kubuka into le-wrong, siyokutshela ngokuthi loya ngumakwakho, loya ngumakhelwane, loya ngu-anti, loya ngumalume. Why is it like that? Please do comments down in the comment section. Comment on what do you think about the question ya Anele. Mina wesiyohlana kulenye lenshali video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out.